Replacing the motor of a watch window is easy and can be done with the right tools and instructions. Remove all accessories including tie-pins and watch holders. Use Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw in the middle of the turntable. Put out brass discs. Unscrew these two screws on the ball. Carefully use the pliers to tug on metal parts to remove the ball, being careful not to stray to break any connecting wires. Put the turntable ball on a tower to prevent any parts from being scratched. You can use Cornish screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew this 4 screw on the defective motor. Take the new motor and secure it with screw. Make sure all screws are firmly tightened, but not too tight that it could damage the motor. Connect the wires in the exact same way the old motor was connected. Plugging in the watch window to a power source. Once you are sure the new motor is working correctly, remove the power source and reattach the watch window's ball. Carefully place the bottom part of ball back in, and then gently nudge and press down the top of the ball in. And then tighten all the screws and put all the accessories back. That's it. You have successfully replaced the motor of your watch window.